Hi everyone. Here is the class, the basic of computer. Let's go ahead the lesson about the introduction of ports, slots, and jacks. Do you know what are these ports and their functions? The first is power input. If the battery run out of the electricity, this slot can connect the adapter to charge laptop. The second is USB port. This port can be connected with flash drive, mouse, and more attached device. The third is HDMI port. If you want to connect external screen, connect this port. The last is headphone jack. If you want to listen the music and not let others hear it, plug your headphone into it. In addition, there are some useful attached device we often use. One of the most important things is mouse. It is very useful input device. You can use it to control your computer. It is connected with the USB port. Next is the flash drive. It is a kind of the storage device. Although it looks small, it can store huge data independently. Also, it is connected with the USB port. The last is the net cable. We just mentioned that internet is an important function. So, how can I access the internet? One way is just connected with this cable. If you want to learn more, please check the next video.